Hey guys, Reece here and welcome back to my channel. We did it, 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much to all of you. I'm making a quick video here once again just to say thank you. So let me go ahead and blow out these candles before the smoke alarm starts going off. So guys, thank you so much all 1,026 of you as of filming this video. I'm looking over at my computer here. Thank you so much for subscribing, tuning in every week or every couple weeks when I post a video. I know I've been a little bit MIA lately, but thank you all so much for sticking around, engaging with the channel, and keeping me motivated to keep putting out good content for you guys. So guys, as we were working our way towards 1,000 subscribers, I took some screenshots as we hit milestones, so every 100 subscribers. So my first video I posted in, let's see, March 30th, 2020, right when the pandemic started getting serious. I guess it probably started before then, but before I really was paying attention to it. And I figured, hey, I'm working at home. I was working as a computer engineer back then. I figured, this is the best time to start a YouTube channel. I don't think you can find it. I think I hid it, but I actually had a different YouTube channel before this one, a fitness channel. For those of you who don't know me too well, I'm a real estate agent and investor. However, another big passion of mine is fitness. So I actually started a fitness channel until I scratched that because I didn't like the image I was kind of portrayed as in those videos. Weightlifting, things like that. But anyway, first video was March 30th, and kind of hit the ground running from there. So I'll go ahead and overlay some screenshots here of those milestones as we come to them. So April 28th, I believe it was, we hit 200 subscribers here on YouTube, and I'll go ahead and keep overlaying 300, 400, 500. So every time we hit that milestone, I took a screenshot so that I could make this video when we hit 1,000, kind of highlight my progress here over the last, what has it been? Maybe 8 months or something. I think 8 months here on YouTube. So thank you once again so much. And I'm taking these cupcakes here as a little throwback to Stephan. I'm sure many of you know who he is, but he made a similar video to this when he hit 1,000. I think it was a slice of cake or something. Well, I'm doing 4 cupcakes here, and yes, I absolutely will eat all of these off camera. That was pretty good. So, a little shout out to Graham. Make sure there's no chocolate in my teeth. So, a little shout out to Graham there who gave me the idea to go buy some chocolate cupcakes and make an excuse for eating some unhealthy food today. So guys, once again, thank you so much. Short video just to say thank you. And I'm looking forward to the next 1,000, looking forward to 10,000 when we hit it here, whenever we do. So once again, guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you all in the next video.